Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to teach you guys how to play a power chord in this video. It's going to be a pretty quick video. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments or if you have other requests and stuff. So I'm just doing this in standard tuning. I don't have a capo on there or anything, but you can do it with a capo. You can do it in any tuning, except for maybe like, you know, drop D or something like that. You want to be careful on the top string. But anyway, that's a lesson for another time. So let's just get into this. So the way you play a power chord, the power chords are so awesome when you're first learning to play guitar because they make it way less intimidating because it's the same everywhere, right? So a power chord, all right, you're just going to put your pointer finger, and there's a couple different ways to do it. I'll show you both, at least both of the ways that I know. But so you put your pointer finger, we're just going to do it on the 5th fret, but it doesn't matter. So 5th fret on the big E string, okay? So you're going to put your pointer finger there, and I'm not barring it, but I am touching the other strings, okay? So then you're also going to put your ring finger, and I'm trying to move my middle finger so you don't see that, but you're going to put your ring finger, all right, 2 frets down. All right, so your ring finger goes 2 frets down, so we're putting it on the 7th fret on the A string, all right? And then your pinky goes 2 frets down as well from your pointer, all right? And it just goes 2 strings down, so that's on the D string right here, okay? So you do, all right? Then you could move it down 1 set of strings, so you'd be on A, D, and G. All right, and notice what I do there is I touch the big E string with my pointer finger so that it mutes it. All right, so that's the way that I always play it. But I know, like my brother, when he plays, he'll do the same thing, except for he doesn't use his pinky, and I've seen some guys do that. So what you'll do is you'll just push down, all right, with your ring finger on both of them. All right. So you just do it like that. So you're just pushing down 2 frets down from your pointer finger. So you're just going to put your pointer finger on the 7th fret, let's say on the D string right here, and then you're going to also push it down. So you're going to push it kind of like flatter like that. Okay, see how that's only 1 string? That's 2 strings. All right, and then that's going to be a power chord. All right. So that's how you play it. Sometimes what you can do as well on a lot of songs is that you'll put your middle finger down. All right, you're gonna put it down in the middle fret. All right, so you're gonna, let's say we're on the 5th and 7th frets. So we're gonna do, when we're on the A, D, and G string. So pointer finger on the 5th fret on the A string, ring finger on the 5th fret, sorry, on the 7th fret on the D string, and your pinky finger is on the 7th fret on the G string, and then you're gonna put your pointer finger, all right, it'll just go like this. Your pointer finger, hear that, will go on the 6th fret on the B string. You can just, they're always going to be 2, without the middle finger, they're always going to be 2 frets apart. Okay, just like that. So you can kind of do it anywhere. Anyway, that's how you play a power chord. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.